Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Proud to Indian. In this video, I will make the detailed comparison between BP Poddar Institute of Management and Technology and RCC Institute of Technology. Okay, so I will give you the detailed comparison about this college, that what is about the placement of this college, which college should you prefer. Okay, so I will give you complete detail. So first of all, guys, if you are new viewer to my channel, then don't forget to support and subscribe my channel because you will get these type of important college reviews, college comparison, or either college pros and cons, hostel tours. So beside of that, various content will be provided in this channel. So make sure to subscribe the channel for further important video. Beside that, I am trying to make a video particularly with the conversation with one of the bhaiya that is already placed in the Microsoft. I will have a conversation in later day. Okay, so for that, make sure to subscribe my channel. So let us move to our comparison without wasting our time. So as I have said that I will make the detailed comparison between the BP Poddar Institute of Management Technology that is in Kolkata and RCC Institute of Technology. So what is actually about this? Okay, means which college should we prefer? So as usual, before making any comparison, I have some parameter, because on the basis of parameter, any college can compare. Okay, we can't compare a college on a particular that yeah, NF ranking is good of this college, then this is fine. Okay, placement is good, this is fine. But that is not the actual things. We have to know the whole parameter. Right? What about the placement? What about the hostel? What about the fee structure? So all things will be included in this. So these are the some parameters on the basis of which I will make comparison. That is the location, whether it is situated in good location or not. Campus, what about the campus? Do you enjoy? Will you enjoy the campus life or not? Placement, cutoff, infrastructure, fees, hostel, and at last I will give my final opinion that what will I do if I will at your position. भाई अगर मैं आपकी जगह होता then what will I do? So at last I will give all things. Okay, and one condition is here that you must watch the video from beginning to end. Don't miss any part. Okay, because if you miss any, then this will create your problem. Okay, and you will again have a doubt, and because this is the question of your career, so you must watch the whole video. Okay, so let us move to our first parameter. So our first parameter is the established and location. So when this college is established and where it is situated. So both college are established in 1999 and both are situated in Kolkata. Okay. So in terms of establishment and location, no any comparison can't be made because both have a similar. But yeah, this is a little bit good location in RCC. Okay. So moving to next very important, that is campus. So what about the campus of these colleges? Is it fine or means is it valid for candidates? Means will you enjoy the campus life? So let me show you that about them. So campus life is for the BP Poddar is very low. Means there is no any in terms of campus, just a building and something means some different structure that is, and have a no any scopes. Why this is a clear cut that if there is no any campus, then how can be the scope of sports? Obviously, okay. But RCC have a little bit more greater campus than the BP Poddar. Okay, so in terms of sports, that little bit not much more you can't say. Okay, because you know now these colleges are situated in Kolkata, and for a college to be situated in a city, there is a very difficult for a good campus life. Okay, so this is also average campus. So in terms of campus, RCC somehow winning the race. Moving to our next very important section, that is the placement. Why everyone have a ultimate goal about the placement, that they want to be placed in a good company, good MNC. So what about the placement scenarios of both these college? Okay, so let me show you the placement scenarios. So this is actually the placement of the BP Poddar, that is in CSC 87% and 50 to 60% in core branches. Okay, so in terms of core branches both have same, but in terms of CSC you can clearly visualize here that RCC have 75 to 80% in CSC. Okay, so in terms of number of placement student, that is the BP Poddar is increasing, but overall means I'm talking about the average package. So in average package almost both have same in 3.7 to 4.0, 3.4 to 3.6 of RCC, but this year this is increased, means 3. Average package is in this year is 3.6 to 3.8 for RCC. Okay, so yeah, this is college is improving day by day. So that is the good in terms of a college. Okay, and talking about the company that is rated, so almost same, that is TCS, Wipro, Grab, Infosys, Capgemini, Accenture. Okay, this is all about that. one things I want to tell about the students who plan to take in the core branches, that no need to worry that you are in a core branch or either that. Okay, you can change your branches after getting into the college too. Okay, so I have already uploaded that video, that how the branch can be changed, and that is official announcement. Okay, that is official things. Okay, that there are some certain criteria that I have already talked on that video, so you can check out that video too, that how can we change branch. Okay, so no need to worry about that. Moving to next very important section, cutoff. Why again cutoff is very important for any students, because if you have not any valid cutoff, if you are not satisfying the important condition, then how can you get into any college? Okay, so let me show you the cutoff of these colleges. So for the BP Podar, for CSC cutoff range start from 4,816 and goes up to 14,413, and for EC it start from 10,896 and go up to 31,950. Okay, and similarly we can see the for the TFW candidate it is going go up to 7,809, but this year there is a strong chance that there will be increase in the cutoff, means plus 300 to you can increase it. Okay, RCC, talking about the RCC round 3 cutoff, so here it will clearly visualize that for the RCC CSC it start from 4,313 and goes up to 11,955. But in terms of cutoff, both are is compatible. Okay, but you can say that RCC have more importance in regarding the cutoff. Okay, for talking about the EC, you can say see here clearly 8,234 and go up to 29,000. Okay, and these are all the IT, for it start from 9,319 and go up to 19,941, and you can see the other cutoff too. Okay, so in terms of cutoff, both are actually competing. Okay, so RCC a little bit means more cutoff, means these have a more demand, and the reason is that it is situated in Kolkata and have a good structure and infrastructure, other things. That's why RCC have a demand. Okay, and that's why the cutoff is going down. Okay, and if I mention the TFW, means whatever the cutoff for the RCC for TFW, so this is almost means same. Okay, so I haven't included here TFW, and that will almost came parallelly. Okay, moving to next very important, that is infrastructure. So what about infrastructure of these colleges? So in terms of infrastructure, BP Podar have good and RCC is moderate. Moderate means greater than the good. Okay, means it has a best infrastructure in comparison with the BP Podar. Okay, means well equipped lab, laboratory, classroom and other things well maintained. Okay, so in terms of infrastructure, little bit it is higher, RCC by little bit higher. So you can clearly visualize that there is a tough competition in terms of infrastructure. Okay, so this is all about the infrastructure. Moving to our very next important parameter, that is the hostel. Why? What about the hostel? Is it hostel present in these or not? Okay, so actually this is the means detail of Asansol too, but I am not comparing here that. So BP Podar have no any hostel, but RCC also have no any hostel. Why? The reason I am saying that it is both situated in the Kolkata, so they have no any hostel. Okay, so if you are planning to get into a hostel, then both of the college will feel remorse to you. आपको वही पछतावा होगा that yeah, college hostel is not, but yeah, other PG and MES are present. They have also collaboration with some private institutions, so you can get a hostel. Okay, or average quality food. Talking to the fee structure of both these colleges, that what is the BP Podar fee structure? So this is actually the fee structure for BP Podar, that is 1.15 lakh for BTech, and for RCC fee structure is lower than the BP Podar, that is 1 lakh. Okay, for the first year. This is the first year fee. Okay, and if you want the detailed fee structure, then you can visit their official website where the clear cut information has been provided. Okay, moving to next, that is very important, NIRF ranking. So what is actually the NIRF ranking of both these colleges? So both actually lie in 201 to 250 band, that is almost same. Okay, let me tell you something more about the NIRF ranking. So what is actually the NIRF ranking? Because many one have a doubt, bhaiya what is NIRF ranking? NIRF ranking hota kya hai? So actually this is a national level ranking that is given by the government of India. They have some parameters such as research, work placement, faculties member, and all things according to that they will do NIRF ranking. Okay, so currently IIT Madras is in 3rd position, but we don't talk about the IIT Madras. Okay, so this is the NIRF ranking of both this college. So in term of NIRF ranking, both are same. Moving to last section, conclusion. Bhai, what do you want to say? Should I prefer the RCC or should I prefer the BP Podar? This is a good question, and that I am giving you the answer to that. That if I will present at your position, then I will choose RCC. Okay, why RCC? I am giving you the 3 reasons. First reason is that in terms of placement, somehow yeah, BP Podar भाई थोड़ा increase हो रहा है, but overall RCC also providing the good, okay, and core branches too. So in terms of placement, little bit lower than the BP Poddar, but overall means greater than the BP Poddar, okay. So placement is fine. And second, very important, that campus life. By you have to spend your valuable 4 year in a college, then there must be some campusing scope, okay. So in terms of campus life, I've already said here that it have a good campus, means comparatively to BP Poddar, okay. So campus के मामले में भाई ये आगे निकल रहा, so that's why I am giving the okay first position. So it have a some scope, but BP Poddar have zero scope, so you will feel regret, okay. So you have to spend 4 years now, so that is the condition. So on basis of that I am giving you the priority, okay. So this is all the detailed comparison between the RCC and BP Poddar. I hope after viewing this video your all doubt regarding this is clear, but if still you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment box. And if you want the paid counseling at nominal price by me, okay, then I will do your counseling on behalf of you, and I am promising you to that you will get your best college at your rank, okay. Bhai, if you have a rank that 30,000 you are, and bhai you will say that bhai I want the technomy, and that is not possible. Means according to your rank you will get your best college, okay. So if you interested, then you can fill out the Google form that is provided in the link, okay. So, and besides that, if you need any personal help, then you can also join my Telegram channel where I will give you the answer 100%, okay. So फिलहाल इस वीडियो में इतना ही था. टिल देन बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. जय हिंद.